Hello and welcome to my channel, Food Brainwash. The aim of my channel is to boost your cooking knowledge through a wide variety of different cooking tutorials and food science animations and past exam paper videos. If that sounds like your cup of tea, then please subscribe. Be sure to use the pulse function. That way you don't overwork the dough. It's not quite ready yet. Can you see there's still quite large lumps of butter there? Right, let's pulse it some more. It's ready once it's changed colour and there are no large chunks of butter that you can see. Once it's complete, turn it out into a bowl. Next, add your thyme by removing the leaves from the stalk. Next, add the chilled water and vinegar to the centre of the pastry. Mix it in with a knife until it becomes clumpy like this. Then you can bring it together. It should form easily into a ball. Sprinkle your bench with flour. Now shape the pastry into a rectangle. This will make it easier to roll out later. Wrap it in cling film and then we're going to put it in the fridge and chill for at least 30 minutes. It's time to make the tart filling. Mix your mascarpone cheese together with some cheddar and Parmesan. Next we're going to chop up our basil leaves. Here I've got the usual green leaves and also some really cute red basil. Next we're going to add the zest of the lemon. Make sure to avoid getting the white pith in as it's very sour. Mix it all together. Mix, 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 mix. Next we're going to slice the tomatoes. You can of course use courgettes for this if you felt like it. That would work equally well. After slicing all your tomatoes, add a bit of salt and pepper and olive oil, set aside for later. Your baking tray with paper. Sprinkle flour on your bench and on your rolling pin. Ridge the pastry to avoid overworking it. Once it's more pliable, you can then complete rolling it out into a rectangle. Place it on top of your baking tray. Spread the filling into the centre of the pastry. Leave a gap around the edge because you're going to be folding the pastry over. Decorate your tarts with the tomato in a nice artistic fashion. Now you're going to fold the edges so all the tomatoes are tucked in nicely. Let's whisk up an egg really fast. Now we're going to egg wash the outside of the pastry so that it goes a beautiful golden colour when it's baked in the oven. Now sprinkle some chia seeds around the outside of the pastry. You could also use flax seeds. Wow, don't they look super delicious? To finish your tart off, add Parmesan shavings on top and some basil leaves. Let's just have a quick bite of the tart to make sure it's delicious. If I can cut it properly. Okay, and num 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 num. Cheesy goodness.